Alright, I'm just going to do a wee video here on a typical Monday morning for a solar engineer. So I had to load up the van here with 2 jobs and clear it out. But I'll show you the van here. So I want to give it a wash here. See, everything's just through in. Everything's just through in at the minute. So I like to clear everything out, take everything out on a Monday morning and organise everything, and then load up 1 or 2 jobs. Usually load up 1 job for Tuesday, but I have a small job on Tuesday and a small one on Wednesday as well, so I'll just load both of them in today. I just want to organise everything. I charge all my take whatever batteries aren't charged up, take them out. And then just put them in here. This is my charging station. I still had to build an off shelf for more chargers. I also have these 2 chargers up here too. It works off a wee inverter there. And then I got this fake fire extinguisher. I think I might put it there. I've one at that back door there, but I think one there will be better as well. So I've got to do. And then I'll show you in here too. That's everything just through in. Got to clear that out. And then that's where I put all my long lengths of reel. So I'll say I'll stick these on time lapse and get this all pulled out and all organised. And then I have 2 sets of panels here. These are 3 4.5s and these are 3 7.5s. So the first job's 8 3 7.5s, and then the next job is 12 3 4.5s. So as I say, I'll stick these on time lapse and put all this out. Alright, just thought I'd try a wee quick video on a typical Monday morning, loading up my van and getting it ready for the week ahead. So I'll just show you inside here. It's all organised, so it is. I'll just give it a quick wash as well. So that's loaded DC cable. Yeah, that's 2 jobs there. That's a 4 kilowatt and a 3 kilowatt. I'll just show you around the back. It's around the back, that's where I keep all my reel. Yeah, that's the brackets that I use. We set ladders, and then under here just keep stuff in tin roofs. Just spare stuff. There's spare stuff in there too. And then all these tubs here have all spare brackets and NC4s, clips, harnesses, marine coat, wee jump start, fire extinguisher at the back door. Keep all my Milwaukee batteries here, and then just a wee hand sanitizer station, and then in here keep screws for tin roofs. There are the wee end clips, and handsaw, levels, don't really use them anyway. And then in here I keep conduit, I use a lot of it, and then underneath them rail I keep spare tiles and slates. And then all them wee tubs are just all spare stuff. 2 rapid chargers with a wee inverter here, and then up here keep a kettle, toasty maker to heat your sandwiches up, and just wee tea bags and stuff there. And then I just put that fire extinguisher in there, and then that's an all up there, just all spare brackets and stuff. And then in here keep 2 of everything, 2 impact drivers, 2 drills, all Milwaukee stuff. I have 2 of these, I just keep one in here, I don't use this all the time. Impact driver, that's the new Gen 3 one. Reciprocating saw, I need to get another one of them. I want to get the brushless one. And then 2 grinders. The reason I keep 2 of everything, if something breaks on me, I'll always have another one. It's just a junk drawer, keep Allen keys and spanners and whatever else in there. That's my electrical drawer, phase tester, and just all wee bits. My marking out drawer. And then I keep all these wee sets in here, drill sets and hole saws and stuff. And in here keep all spare screws. The main screws that I use is keep them in this. They're a full tub. They're the main screws I use there. Them torque screws. So I'll keep a lot of them in that tub there. So that's it. And these toolboxes here, you can lock them, but you have to mess about pushing each drawer in and then try and lock it. So I just came up with this here. Just made a bit of rebar and spread it. Welded a wee bit on top there. Yeah, it just clips into there like that. Stops them from opening. Same with that drawer there too. A bit harder with one hand. That's it. And the cab area too. I keep a wee fridge in here because I do a lot of travelling. And just crisps and whatever else. Keep drinks and put my sandwiches in there and stuff for the week ahead. And it just plugs into the cigarette lighter. Keep a first aid kit up there too. So that's it, it's just a wee quick video, one take video, just to show you typical Monday morning and what's in my van for doing solar work. If you've made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the thumbs up for me.